Today we will visit the factory of a Taiwan piston ring transportation equipment company, limited that we cooperate with. Did you make pistons since 94?
93 years.
Start from the front line. Is your advantage still this craft, traditional craft?
Yes, the most difficult part of the piston ring is the precipitation of skilled workers. And the precipitation of technology. I'm not saying that the batch you make is fine. I'll work with you for 10 years without any PR. Of LMs.
Here is the production workshop of piston rings. I will take you to visit the production process of piston rings. We choose a piston ring with 1 open and 2 to make the outer circle roughing first. 1 open and 2 cast iron rings can ensure that the rare metals of raw materials are distributed evenly on the surface. The products made through this process have better wear resistance. These are the rough finished goods. Next, the machine roughs the inner circle of the piston ring. This process makes the inner circle of the piston ring relatively uniform and ensures that the piston ring has good resilience. Finishing the outer circumference of the piston ring is now in progress. The precision machined piston ring will have better smoothness when installed on the piston. And the piston ring will also have better air tightness. This process is to do the finishing of the closed gap, which means to install the piston ring into the cylinder. If the closing gap is too large, it will be easy to pull the cylinder. If the closing gap is too small, the tightness of the device will be poor. This process is to do piston ring gradient treatment. The processing function of this link is to make the piston ring and the ring groove of the piston have better sealing performance. If the piston ring gradient is between 7 degrees and 10 degrees, then it is a qualified product. Now in the process of finishing the plane of the piston ring. This is one of the most important links in the precision control of the piston ring. After finishing, the surface dimension error of the piston ring should be controlled between 0.01-0.03 mm. This is the inspection room for finished products. All products on the assembly line are subject to quality inspection after processing. After the inspection is completed, it can be packaged and shipped. These are test gauges. They mainly detect the closed gap of the piston ring. After the production of finished piston rings, the closed gap of each ring is checked. If the closing gap is too large or too small, the performance of the entire engine will be affected. Our inspectors will use these beams for full product inspection. This is Guangzhou Piston Ring Processing Factory. Their headquarters is in Taiwan, and they use Taiwan's management system. Next, let's chat with the factory manager. This is our factory manager Wang. He has 27 years of work experience. Every link of the factory site, process flow, raw materials and on-site management are all within the management scope of Director Wang. Are most of the equipment in the factory imported from Taiwan and Japan?
Yes, except for the tooling fixtures.
Are the fixtures processed by yourself?
Yes.
Are the tooling fixtures manufactured according to the standards of Japanese and Taiwanese companies?
Yes, by their standards. They will have standard information for US. When they come out with equipment. All our equipment will be produced strictly according to Japanese and Taiwanese standards.
Okay, I had a hard day today, thank you very much.